that is better. So the back looks pretty good.
Hold on. Stop me trying.
Misprint by Luke Dancy is an incredibly visual restoration of a misprinted card. Words can't explain how cool it looks when the ink on the card starts to move. I mean, it really looks like real magic. Hey, has this ever happened to you? You go to show somebody your favorite card trick, and as you spread through the deck, you discover, man, one of the cards has just been horribly misprinted. I mean, that's like unusable. Now, I used to throw this card out, but then I figured, you know what? Why not just fix it? That looks pretty good. The edges on the back of the card look good. The edges on the face of the card look good. And that's misprint. The card used can be freely selected or signed, and once the border has been fixed, the card is immediately handed out for examination. Misprint can be mastered in minutes. It resets instantly, so it's a perfect repeat walk-around trick. But that's not all. Now with Misprint 2.0, you will also receive the brand new face-up misprint gimmick. This will allow you to not only restore the back, but also the face of the misprinted card. You'll receive the original misprint gimmicks in both red and blue. You'll also receive the new 2.0 gimmicks, also in red and blue. It comes in the King of Spades and the Queen of Hearts. And finally, it includes all the craft supplies you'll need to make as many gimmicks as you want. Misprint 2.0 is here, and it's waiting to be added to all of your card routines. So make sure you get your Misprint 2.0 by Luke Dancy.